I had no idea we were in Vermont. Because I fell asleep on the drive. How'd you lose your ski? Benson was popping off that run. Killing it, killing it.
Oh. And shout out to Johnathan for being my best friend.
You're hurting me. What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Bromley Ski Resort, and you'll never believe what I'm on. There's 4 rows of chairlifts, 2 going up, 2 coming down. This is literally, I don't know if it looks the same way in real life as it does on camera, the craziest chairlift I've been on. Just when you think you've seen it all in the ski and snowboard industry, you come to some tiny resort and then you get your mind blown, because who does this? Look at it, it's a sea of chairlifts. There's got to be like 800 chairlifts right here. Yeah. Anyways, Bromley online looks like it has an insane terrain park, and we got a little bit of blue skies coming in and out, and now it's starting to, I guess it's starting to snow now? I don't know. Yeah. Weather is suspect, but we're gonna have an insane, super fun day. So enough talking. Let's get to shredding. Oh, wait, hold on. Before we get to shredding, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. About 80% of the people that watch this channel aren't subscribed, so subscribe. And then, okay, let's go snowboard. Alright, we can work with that part. Alright guys, this park is sick. We got a park specific chairlift that keeps stopping on us, but it's still a good lap. Something I'm noticing about at least this resort in general is there's no, like, we have pine trees in a forest in Colorado that we ride. These are woods. It's just like the trees just become big sticks sticking out of the ground. So the wind just cuts right through the trees. It is crazy windy, and it's like, I don't know, it's so different than Colorado. Still sick. Snow feels great. I don't know this ice that's on the ice coast. I haven't seen it yet, guys. It's still super fun. What do you think of the park?
It's fun. It's little, but it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's a mellow, fun little park. We're gonna go inside, warm up real quick, and then we're gonna go to the tippity top of this hill, mountain, whatever this is, and look, there's 2 other ski resorts really close to us, so you can see them from your riding. It's actually kind of cool. I didn't film up any of that warm-up session because it's awkward filming inside buildings, especially with COVID, but I did get the pin for the resort. It's a Marvin Martian Bromley pin. It's so sick. If you guys didn't know, I collect a pin at every ski resort we ride at, and we're trying to ride every single one in the United States. So this is just another one off the list. But if you want to get pins at all the resorts you go to, or if you just want an Evolution pin, I have them right there. They're linked in the description. And if you want to see what resorts I have ridden at, I have a whole website dedicated to like knocking them off, and you can see if I rode at your ski resort, and then if you hover over it, it has the videos and you can watch them. It's super good, cool. So check out the website for where we snowboarded. Also, you can see how many resorts are in the United States. There's so many. So it is Saturday, so it's a little busy. We're headed to this huge line of people, but we gotta go to the top at least once. All right, let's get. All right, so the wind did die down. We might get some gusts or whatever, but with it dying down, it's now warm and toasty out here on the mountain. It was a nice run from the top all the way down. The snow is holding up really nice, which is awesome. You guys want to know what else is warm and toasty? Today's sticker shout out. We got Playing Outdoors with the gold Evolution sticker on the snowboard. Looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. As well as we got Jeff Churning with the Lego Evolution sticker on the helmet. The Lego one is my son's version of the sticker. Everyone was asking for a Roman sticker, and 100% of the proceeds from the Lego sticker, if you bought the Lego one, goes to Roman's college fund. We put it right into his bank account. So thank you for supporting Roman's college. But guys, if you want to support the dream, support trips like these to the East Coast, the week on the East, I want to do this every year, have a week on the East and ride as many resorts as we can. Snagging merch is the best way to do it. Snagging any of the Evolution stickers, any of the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, it all helps support the dream, helps me buy lift tickets, buy plane tickets, get hotels, all this stuff. So guys, thank you so much for snagging the merch, supporting the dream. Don't forget, if you do snag any of the merch, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also, you want to follow my Instagram. It's how you guys know where we're going on trips like these, as well as bonus extra content. I post when we're at the mountain. So if you're at Bromley and I'm like, yo, we're ripping Bromley, you'd be like, yo, I'm gonna go find Buckhouse. And then you can take some laps with me, which is really cool. So follow Instagram to know where I'm riding, and also for bonus extra content. You don't wanna be missing out on the Instagram. But we're back to the park. The runs were super busy and it is pretty cold up top, but down here is nice and warm. The wind died down. And yeah, let's get a couple more park laps in, you know? No way, look, it's a Colorado snowboard. It is. We are dealing with a little bit of stick, guys, on the features, but we're just gonna try and ignore it. Benton was popping off that run. You'll see it sometimes with Benton. If he starts the run off with one gnarly trick and gets it, he just can't stop. That was sick. Thank you. All right, so we do need to shout out the whole crew. We got Greg, who's driving us around, let us crash at his place for 2 nights. We're gonna be in a hotel for the rest of the night. But big shout out to Greg. Our boy Vinny, he got broke off. He's literally one arm Vinny. He's sitting in the car, but shout out to Vinny. But then, let's be real, Benton's been with us all season on almost all the trips. He didn't go to Washington, but that was like a family trip, everything like that. But dude, thanks for coming on all the trips. Follow Benton on Instagram, Backflipping Benton, my boy. And obviously he makes the videos better. Not only does he flip in all of them. Have you flipped today? Yeah, you did. I saw
I flipped.
Yeah. He flips in all of the videos, which, you know, that just makes us cool. He helps film a ton, so we love Benton. Give him some love. And yeah, we're thinking about maybe like 5 more runs in here and then take off. We gotta like rest up for Killington. Tomorrow is Killington. That's like the one that I'm most excited for. This whole trip.
Supposedly it's gonna be the best park.
Because it's Woodward park.
And we're gonna kill it at Killington.
Killing it at Killington.
Killing it.
not fall. No. That was Chipmunk. We're out of here. My knee's really aggravated, and I think it's because we did 3 ski resorts yesterday. It was insane. We did Bel Air, Hunter, and Jiminy. My knee is just like, I'm tired. So we're taking off a little early today. Let the body rest up so we can kill it at Killington. But if you like today's video, make sure you smash that like button. That helps the almighty YouTube algorithm. More people will see these videos if you guys smash like. I'd arguably say that was like one of the best parks of the trip so far.
Definitely. Cheer up.
That and Jiminy had a good park. I think the last thing I want to mention today, guys, is do you see these lenses, these pink ones? They're pretty fire. If you need goggles, Kuno Optics, $70 goggles, linked in the description. My goggle sponsor. Show them some love. Check them out. They're fire goggles. But also all of my snowboard gear, my jackets, my pants, my snowboard, whatever, all my gear is in the description, as well as the vlog gear. So if you need snowboard gear, you don't know where to start with my stuff. But with that, Team Guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow
with another video
at Killington.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody.
This guy has a truck. What is he doing? It is a Raptor, though.